Alright, in this section here we're going to be talking about the definition of a circle in the plane and then look at the standard form of the equation of a circle. So I have sketched out here the Cartesian plane, and now what I'm going to do here is draw a circle. Okay, that looks good. So the center of our circle is going to be right about here, and then the radius of the circle is we'll call this R usually, and then we've got some point on the circle right here, and that ordered pair will be considered to be X and Y. And the center of the circle is considered to be this ordered pair H and K. This is usually the standard notation. So our center is the ordered pair C or H and K, and a point somewhere along the circle, right on the circle, is our ordered pair, and we'll call it X and Y, and then we have some radius R. And of course we always say that R is greater than 0. Okay, so if you remember, to find the distance between H and K and Y or X and Y, right, the distance between these 2 points right here, let's just do that. And so we say that, I think I'll just write it up here, the distance is equal to, now remember it is the square root of, and I'm going to say X minus H squared plus Y minus K squared. And this is the distance formula, but remember that D is really R here, right? So D is equal to R. Now there's something you need to know here really about this, and if we're talking about the square root right here, right, we're really just talking about half of this circle, and then we need to get the other half down here. Okay, the standard form of the equation of a circle usually is without the square root right here. We would usually say R squared is equal to X minus H squared plus Y minus K squared. Now remember that H and K is the center of the circle, right? R is the radius, and X and Y is some point on the circle. Some point somewhere there on the circle. I think I'm going to go ahead and just talk about the general form of the equation of a circle, and that usually looks something like this: ax squared plus a y squared plus cx plus dy plus f is equal to 0, and it has to be stated that a cannot equal 0. Okay, I think I'm going to pretty much end this section here. Right here, I am going to say this much, that in the next session on completing the square, what we're going to do is give an example of a problem like this, where we're given the equation to a circle, Then we're going to multiply it all out to get the general form, and then we're going to do some factoring and get it back into this form here, showing you how to go from here to here if you're given the general form. And we're going to do that by what's called completing the square. So you want to definitely check out the next video on completing the square.